So what's up guys? Try lang ko ani bay. Okay ba siya? So karon guys, nakilak ko na ko og cable sa Arcata. By the way, ako si Yong Yong, muna akong channel guys. Di ko ready ani. Ganun di ko matanaw sa camera, matanaw ako sa screen. So, pag ito na ko ron. So, ready ko. Kusog kwarta kay init kayo ako yung motor. Pwede so ko rin ay konti cable te. Di man may rich kid sa cellphone akong gamit yo. Cellphone. Rich kid! Pasawas na. Init kayo guys.
We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled.
You stick out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer. You got your mind on loose. Go hard and watch the sunrise. One night it change your whole life. Pop top, drop top.
Yan, cable ra. Dito sa cave koan ba? Misamis cable. Ah.
I'm high.
Put 'em
Balik tas dalan kay sira.
Quavo. Mama told you don't talk to strangers. But when you ride in that drop, you can't explain it. What you been waiting on this whole time? I blow the brains out of your mind. And I ain't talking about physically, I'm talking about mentally. She look like she nasty. She look like she classy. She just look at her dancing. Look at her, she looking. I took her to the mansion. Yeah.
You stick out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer. You got your mind on loose. Go hard and watch the sunrise. One night it change your whole life. Pop top, drop top, baby, it's a no-brainer. Put 'em up if you with me, yeah. In the middle. I'm high.
Mati ah. So balik ta. Panday, cable TV. Mingo lagi yan no? Wala ito. Yang! Te! Adyo! 2 hours later. Three hours later. Yang! Shh.
2,000 years later.
Yang? May taon dito? Di butos sa pambilyo. Lagi ng tagtatay. Wala pa diya tay. Kuan sila sa badistam ni sila. Ada yang akan kwarta. Sige tay. Inungit-ngit diri guys.
Yo! Balik na sa direct.
Man.
So guys, I got big bite. First time ako nito vlog. Punta. Kailangan mo guys. Pero kaya ako. Yung no, yo, what's up, yo? So, moro to. Ang pula-pula eh. Fish! Yung!
We the best music.